Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel Crypto Light. Hope you all are doing great. So finally I'm here to tell about the amazing project, but before starting the video, I would like to ask you that if you're new in my channel, so kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification. So let's start the review. So crypto is evolving fast, and with so many exchanges launching, choosing the right platform can be confusing. So today we are taking a closer and honest look at a platform that's been getting some attention lately, Blonex. In this video, I will walk you through what Blonex is, how it works, its key feature, and what you should consider before using it. A quick disclaimer is that this video is for informational and educational purpose only. It's not financial advice, and you should always do your own research before making any decisions. Now let's get started. So, what exactly the Blonex is? Blonex is a cryptocurrency exchange platform where users can buy, sell, and trade digital assets like other exchanges. It aims to provide a place where traders can access different cryptocurrencies, monitor market movements, and manage their portfolios. What makes newer exchanges like Blonex interesting in how they try to improve user experience, offer competitive features, and attract both beginners and experienced traders. But of course, every platform is different, and that's what we are here to explore. So first we have the Blon pre-sale utility token for Blonex exchange. Blon is a utility token used within the Blonex exchange. Next AI feature: receive free discounts, receive VIP status, participate in loss compensation campaign, and access advanced tools and reward boost. Here you can see the pre-sale start in 28 days, 1 hour, 49 minutes, and some seconds. Here you can check it out. Their current price is $0.1. And their next price is $0.15. Here you can check it out. The USD raised, their Blonx sold, and their total supply left. Here you can see they have current stage is stage 9. They have 250 million pre-sale supply and 1 billion total supply. Here you can see their pre-sale contract address, their network, BNB Smart Chain, and their token contract address. You must copy their contract address, paste it on your wallet, and buy this token. I'm showing you a bit later. So one of the first things people notice about any exchange is the interface. A good platform should be easy to navigate, especially for beginners who might feel overwhelmed by chart and numbers. From what we can see, Blonex focuses on clean and user-friendly layout, making it easier to access trading pairs, check prices, and execute trades. For more experienced users, having access to chart, order types, and trading tools is also important. So the balance between simplicity and functionality really matters. Here we have derivatives first exchange, next gen platform featuring perpetual features, up and down trading, and AI assisted strategy system. Their platform specializes in derivatives trading with a simplified UX accessible to all users, featuring real-time risk control and AI assisted system for smarter trading. AI features are assistive only and do not guarantee any outcomes. Here you can see the market activity right here, and next we have their amazing key features. Most exchanges offer basic spot trading, and some also include advanced options like futures or margin trading. Depending on what Blonex provide, user may be able to trade multiple cryptocurrencies, access real-time market data, use different order types for better control, and manage their portfolio within the platform. Another important factor is fees. Trading fees, withdrawal fees, and deposit method can all impact your overall experience. Before using any exchange, it's always a good idea to review these details carefully. Here you can see they have 10 matching speed, 99.9% uptimes, and 200 plus trading pairs. Next we have their AI rule enforcement system. Revenge trading after liquidation, over leveraging on impulse, entering without a plan. These are the mistakes that break accounts. Not bad market reads. Blonex AI doesn't predict anything. It verifies, warn, block, and feedback on the rules you set. Not profit prediction, rule enforcement, final decision, and responsibility remain with you. Here you can see their trading plan monitor, their max leverage, max position, stop loss required, and no trading after 2 losses. Here you can see their amazing features like prevent unplanned entries, stop revenge trading, block high leverage impulse, track your mistake patterns, behavior quality report, and furthermore. You can check it out, all the stuff right here. And you can also check it out. The Blon holders unlock higher precision. Core AI is free for all. Blon increase resolution. Blon doesn't get AI access. It upgrade control depth. You can check it out. All the stuff right here. Next we have their Blon utility. Blonx is not a token that guarantees profit. Blonx is a utility asset designed to enable deeper access to Blonex AI-based trading control and efficiency infrastructure. All trading decisions and responsibilities remain with the user. Here you can check it out. Further, more details like trading fees reduction, governance participation, loss recovery campaigns, and reward boost. And here you can also check it out, the AI trading control access. Blonex AI doesn't predict market or guarantee profit, as I already told you about this. Their core Blonx utilities include trading fee reduction, governance participation, loss recovery campaigns, reward boost, and AI trading control access. You can check it out, all the stuff right here. This is an outstanding platform. Next, we have their Blonx Tokenomics, transparent Blonx distribution and vesting structure. You can check it out, the total Blonx supply, their network, BNB Smart Chain, and their token standard is BIP20. Here you can check it out, their contract address, as I already told you. Here you can see their tokenomic circle, reward 25%, pre-sale 25%, operations 15%, ecosystem 10%, strategic reserve 10%, marketing 10%, and their team is 5%. Next, we have the exclusive pre-sale benefits, advantages reserved for early participants. Here you can check it out, that why pre-sale, because lowest entry price, same utility, long-term ecosystem participation, and community priority. Here you can check it out, their price progression by stage. The stage 1 price is $0.05 and their stage 9 price is $0.45. Between stage 1 and stage 9, the token price increased by up to 800%. Early participants access the lowest entry stage for the same utility benefit. Here you can check it out, their pre-sale was post-launch details. Upcoming post-launch utilities include next AI feature access, loss compensation campaign, trading fee discount, and the reward booster benefits. Next, we have that how it works. There are 4 simple steps. First, you have to join their pre-sale, connect your wallet, and purchase your desired amount of tokens. Next step is token generation. Receive 15% of your purchase immediately at the token generation event. Step 3 is vesting period. The remaining 85% is distributed equally over 12 months. And last, we have the enjoy profit. Use your tokens to unlock free discount, VIP tires, and many more. Here you can see that how to participate, a step-by-step guide to join the pre-sale. You must read the steps and see how you participate in the pre-sale. Next, we have the pre-sale schedule. 9-stage pre-sale with progressive pricing. Here you can check it out, their current stage, current price, and their next price. As I already told you about their pre-sale, and here you can check it out, the different stages like stage 1, stage 2, and stage 3. Next, we have their vesting timeline. Here we have the pre-sale vesting schedule and example calculations. You can check it out, all the stuff right here. You must invest here and enjoy their amazing features. Now we have their amazing roadmap. You can check it out, their roadmap. So first we have the prep Q1 2026, pre-sale site launch, token contract development, security audit, and community channels open. Phase 1 launch Q2 2026. Exchange official launch, fee discount, and reward center integration, staking open, and TG game open. Phase 2 expand Q3 2026, listing vote feature, camping and event enhancement, AI assist system integration, additional market and deposit withdrawal rails. Phase 3 is grow Q4 2026, regular launchpad campaign, expanded reward program, strategic partnership, regional community expansion. And last, we have the phase 4 optimized 2027, enhanced security and risk control, global expansion, readiness, operational optimization, treasury transparency reporting. Here you can check it out, all the stuff right here. Next, we have the frequently asked question. You must read the frequently asked question for better understanding about our project, like what is Blonx, what is vesting, which wallet are supported, and furthermore, they have a lot of frequently asked question right here. You must read the frequently asked question for better understanding about a project. Next, we have the legal disclaimer. You must read the legal disclaimer for better experience. Now I'm showing you the exchange page where you can buy and sell currencies in minutes. Trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, and the top altcoin on the legendary currency assets exchange. First, you have to register your account. You can also download it on App Store and Google Play extension. Here you can see there today's live crypto exchange rates. Today they have different currencies and the different rates. So you can check it out, all the stuff right here. Meet the worldwide community like their Telegram community, their Twitter account, and their Discord. You must join their Telegram community for the latest update, and you can also follow them on their Twitter account. Here you can see the latest news and posts right here, and you can also check it out the comments about the project right here. Now I'm showing you their white paper. You must read their white paper for better understanding about the project. When it comes to crypto, security should always be a top priority. Any exchange you use should have basic security features like account verification, strong authentication methods, and protection against authorized access. It's also important to check whether the platform provides transparency, how it handles user funds, and what kind of safety measures are in place. Remember, no platform is completely risk-free, so it's always smart to avoid keeping large amount of funds on any exchange for a long period. Now I'm showing you that how you can buy these tokens. So here you can simply buy these tokens. Here you can check it out the pre-sale, as I already told you about this. Here you can check it out all the stuff right here. You can simply buy these tokens and sell these tokens. So first of all, you have USDT and BNB in your wallet. So first of all, you have to connect your wallet right here. I'm connecting my MetaMask wallet. You have to connect your wallet which you want to connect. Here you can see my wallet has been connected right here. Simply write your amount and see how much Blonex tokens you will get right here. You can also check it out the live transaction history right here. A lot of people using their amazing features. We have another features like staking and referral, even staking, and you can also enjoy their swap option, right? You can easily swap Blonx to USDT right here. This is a fabulous project. You must invest here and enjoy their amazing features. So let's quickly summarize. Some potential positive of a platform like Blonex could include a simple and beginner-friendly interface, access to trading tools and multiple assets, a growing ecosystem if the platform continue to develop. At the same time, there are always things to consider: how established the platform is, user review and community feedback, security, trade record, and overall reliability. Taking time to research these points can help you make better decisions. So overall, Blonex is another platform entering the crypto exchange space, and like any exchange, it comes with its own set of features, advantages, and considerations. Whether it's right for you depends on your need, your experience level, and how comfortable you feel using the platform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and honest crypto content. And let me know in the comments, have you heard about Blonex trade or would you try it? Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.